Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a famous street food that is Chana Chaat, which is very yummy and enjoying food. So give this recipe a try at home and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start today's recipe, Chana Chaat. Take 1 cup chickpeas, that is chana, which is soaked and pressure cooked till 4 whistles. Now heat a pan on a medium flame and add 1 tablespoon of oil. When heated, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, let them flatten and add 1 finely chopped onion, 2 chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 finely chopped tomato, and add spices like 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder. Add a salt to taste and now add chickpeas. Simmer for 5 minutes and now chana is ready for the chaat. Now to make a chaat, take 1 to 2 boiled potato which is diced into small cubes, 1 chopped tomato, 1 to 2 chopped green chili, chopped fresh coriander and onion. Take a serving bowl, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooked chana at the base, add a chopped potato, onion. You can adjust the quantity of ingredient by your choice. Add green chilies, tomato, fresh coriander. Now to make it chatpata, I am going to add a beaten sweet curd, or you can add sugar in a curd to make it sweet and beat it. Green chutney and imli chutney. If you want to know how to make this chutney, then press I button. I have already given the link of both the recipes in description box. Crushed papdi, to get a crunchiness, add sev or bhujia. To make the chaat colorful, again add curd, chutney and tomatoes by your choice. Now add some spices like half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala and pinch of salt. Now our chatpata, colorful and flavorful chana chaat is ready to serve. So give this recipe a try at home and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy!